Sasisian pan ngi pilihan sungpai pi borok syakanika channel kejongi. Hakanika video ke bam tas ngi ngin pe yakini ki post ki barang syulat mai hapo Meghalaya. Subscribe yakanika channel but turn on your notification bell ru kanang bapinum do yaki video ki bangi upload. Sa follow lang ru yangi hapo ke Instagram. Kani kadai ke Instagram account kejongi. Ka Indian Council of Agricultural Research lene ka ICAR Meghalaya kapalai ikini ki post mentau benai arajar arphoi ki keteng jung ni ki post kilong kumne Principal Project Associate batka Project Associate kelas date lene ka tarik bakhado bapila ban submit iki application ki jongpi kadai hu laitrik benai November arajar arphoi ya ka post Principal Project Associate ka balai kawai ka upper age limit kadai sub house nam bat ka salary lene ka tulap kadai sapu khandai hajar pat penyo ru ya ka HRA lene ka housing rent allowance ka educational qualification lene ka jingpynkhreh bapidan kaman pendam syab pin apply kani ka post kalong gomne piaban pendap ya ka master's degree haka natural lene ka agricultural sciences lene pide bandan ka bachelor's degrees haka engineering lene technology lene medicine nakano ka university but pide ru bandan prasnam experience haka research but development haka industrial but ka academic institutions lene science and technology organizations but scientific activities but ki services lane pide ban pendap ya ka doctoral degree haka science lane engineering lane technology lane pharma lane MD lane MS bat pide ru bandan sausnam experience haka R&D industrial but academic institutions lane sciences but technology organizations but ka scientific activities but services ki desirable qualification kidai biotechnology microbiology veterinary public health but ka working knowledge haka microbiology but molecular biology ya ka post project associate ka balai lightly ka upper age limit kadai life science nam ka salary lene ka tulap kadai laipoi hajar plus HRA lene housing rent allowance ya gitu ki balak pendap ya ka national eligibility test CSIR UGC net but lectureship assistant professorship lane ka gate lane ki balak pass ki national level examinations balak conduct daka central government departments but naki agencies but institutions jongki ya gitu ki bampat pass ya kini ki examinations kinyo 8,000 plus ka housing rent allowance hakashi benai ka educational qualification lani ka jingpynkhreh ka bapidan kaban pendap syabah pin apply kani ka post kalong kumne piaban pendap ya ka master's degree haka natural lani agricultural sciences lani MVSC lani bachelor's degree haka engineering lani technology lani medicine ka desirable qualification ya kani ka post kalong kumne biotechnology microbiology veterinary lani public health ki candidates ki belong eligible but ki bakwa ban apply kini ki post pihak ban pha yaki application ki jongpi haka enclose performa badru pihak ban pha yaki scan copies jongki original documents ki jongpi haka weka PDF format syakane ka email address vetmilton@gmail.com syaka laitering benai November arajar arphoi ka official notification lene ka notice kabla pelai da kani ka ICAR ngala ai po description juga ni video ti phila ban download ya ka bat phila ban pule la da phikwa ban tip shushu syapang ki details